morning, Bianca. My name is Kevin Smith here at Tameron Hyundai, and I want to thank you for your interest in the Ford Explorer, which I have right here next to me. We've chosen an excellent SUV. This SUV is fully equipped with a lot of features. So why don't you come in a little closer, we can take a quick look and a great little overview here. You can see classic Ford chrome accented grille there. Body and paint is in excellent condition. Wheels and tires, excellent condition as well. They are on alloy tires. On the inside, you will see it is completely upholstered in leather for you. This one here is equipped with Bluetooth capabilities. You have hands-free functions right here on the steering wheel here for you. Cruise consent, like I said, Bluetooth controls. You do have a large screen here, a large monitor for display for you, so you'll be able to see everything. It is touchscreen as well. AM, FM radio, CD player, you name it, it has it. The only thing it does not have, Bianca, is you here at the dealership. So come on down here to 1591 Montgomery Highway right here in Hoover, Alabama. You can simply just give me a call at 205-380-6250 or contact me on my cell phone at 205-540-31113. So listen, Bianca, I would love to do a dance with you here to get you in this vehicle. Want this vehicle in your possession, so just please come see me here today at Tameron Hyundai. And here, Bianca, you're going to love the way you're treated, and I'll see you soon.